and gentlemen, it's go time. Round number 7. Special thanks goes to our sponsors tonight. Give Orthodontics, Chuck Gurias and Remax, Allison Tolley and Sue Meyer with the Mortgage Center. Congratulations. You're a big dude. Look forward to seeing you back in the ring time and time again in future events. Ladies and gentlemen, Travis Hellrath. Ladies and gentlemen, it's go time. This bout is sponsored by A1 Truck Wash. Sandy represents the Timeline Club people. So what I'm going to do is, instead of asking you a bunch of questions, I'm going to give you this one. You tell your message to everybody. Knees to the head and elbows are illegal. It'll be contested over 3 5-minute rounds. Punches, kicks, knees, and elbows to the head and body while standing are illegal. Every time I see you come out, in person, every time I see you, you get better and more polished. Ladies and gentlemen, it's go time.